I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete your saved Wi-Fi passwords on Amazon. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Amazon.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Amazon home screen. Step 2. Click Accounts and List to open a menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Your Account section and then click Content Library in this menu. The content screen opens. Step 4. Click Preferences in this menu. Step 5. Click to expand the options for saved network passwords. Find your saved Wi-Fi passwords and then click Delete. A window opens asking if you want to delete your Wi-Fi passwords from Amazon. Step 6. Click Yes, Delete Permanently. All of the saved Wi-Fi passwords associated with your Amazon account will be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.